It's another beautiful day here at DiMeo Farms, where we grow the best blueberries and blueberry plants. We could ship our beautiful ultra premium blueberry plants direct to your door. These are our starter plants. They're only $1.95 each. They still have lots more to grow. Planting season is quickly approaching. Give us a call, shoot us an email. We could ship direct from one of our properties. We've been in the blueberry business a long time. We have ultra premium plants. These are grown the old-fashioned way. They're not grown in a greenhouse. Remember, guys, most of the plants people are selling online today, they're all grown in a greenhouse. Even the big box stores, they're all greenhouse grown plants. What does that mean? They've been kept in a controlled environment. When you buy them and put them outside, most of them are not going to make it, because most of them were always kept in a strict temperature controlled environment. But not here at DiMeo Farms. We grow them the old fashioned way. We don't believe in greenhouses. Never used a greenhouse in my life, and neither has anyone in my family. But give us a call, shoot us an email. We could ship direct to your door, only $1.95 each. The minimum currently on these is $50. We have all sizes of blueberry plants available. Give us a call, shoot us an email. We'll answer any of your questions, take care of you, give you a fast shipping quote, and once again, we could ship direct to your door. Blueberry Farmer Direct. We appreciate your business. We thank you for your business. Make it a great day.